Hi, thanks for watching the Drone Labs. Today we're unboxing the Master Airscrew Stealth Propellers for your DJI Spark. These run about $20 and there's a link down below. We also have up now a full review of these propellers. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos to see the review. The Master Airscrew propeller comes in several different colors. You can get it in black, like what comes with your stock propeller. I ordered the yellow ones here for my red drone. They've got green, blue, I think pink and purple and some other bright colors. Here's what comes in the box. A decal, some safety instructions. And let's get to the main event. Here's a nice fabric pouch with the propellers. There are 4 of them, so that's good. They're glossy finish compared to the matte finish of the stock propellers. Here's the top and bottom. And that's everything that comes in the box. They are fairly flexible. They seem pretty sturdy, not too brittle. The box comes with 2 sets of 2 to line up with the corners of your drone. These are the 2 propellers with the white markings on them that line up with the white corners of the drone. And here are the other 2 with no white markings. They also have a tiny little imprint number on it. I found it too hard to see the white dashes on the 2 propellers that line up with the white corners of the drone. So I decided to take a Sharpie and mark the underside of the one set of propellers so that I could more easily tell them apart when I'm packing the drone. You'll notice that the propellers do not fit in most drone cases, so you'll need to pop the propellers off and store them if you have a case. We've now got a full lab test and review of these propellers. Please hit subscribe to our channel to check out that video. These propellers run about $20, and there's a link down below to the Amazon store.